So guys, I've got a big one for you today. This is huge. So this barn that you can see behind me, this Dutch barn, is now all mine to use. This is major news for the channel because now we've actually got the space to do the things that we really want to do. And I absolutely cannot wait. And I can't wait to show you guys inside. So let's go and have a look. Huge. It's actually more space than I need. I never thought I would say it. I couldn't fill it. I think even if I wanted to, not without winning the lottery. Phenomenal space. As you could see from the footage there, we've got just about everything. So there's obviously a lot of stuff in here, as you've noticed. Now, some of it won't be here for that much longer. Some of it will, like the bench, for example, and the washing machine. But a lot of these tools, obviously, because this doesn't belong to me, so I'm usually a little bit tidier than this, but not much, just a little bit. So yeah, there's a lot of heavy tooling in here for HGV repair. So you would have noticed a lot of massive tools and massive oil filters. Oh, I can barely pick it up. It's as big as my head. So yeah. That stuff belongs to someone else, but yeah, as you can see, we got some pretty serious kit in here, which is just awesome. And breaker bars that I almost can't lift, to be quite honest. I mean, there won't be anything that will beat us. I don't think there'll be a nut or a bolt that we won't be able to get off with what's in here, to be quite honest. It's not one of these big high budget channels. It's just a regular guy doing regular repairs, trying to keep his regular cars, his regular old Volvos on the road, on the driveway, not in the best conditions, and just making do. And yeah, some people have said, if you ever did have a fully kitted out workshop with all the tools and all the budget and all the stuff, the channel would lose its USP. But well, we've done it anyway. I can't say that I've got a massive budget or any really amazing tools, and everything in here doesn't belong to me anyway. Obviously I do have some of my own kit that I need to bring in, but we're going to do it anyway, because of course I think the best thing for the channel would be to have multiple projects on at any given time, so we don't just work on one car, do a series of videos on it and then move on to the next. If we have several cars on the go, it keeps it exciting, doesn't it? So variety is the spice of life, as they say. So yeah, we definitely can do that in this space, can't we? On that note, so it's a lot of space, but it doesn't mean anything unless we've got cars to fill it with. So if you've got a project car, ideally a Volvo, of course, or if you know someone that's got one, or you know of one somewhere, let me know, because we need to fill the space. I wouldn't be doing it if I didn't have the channel, put it that way. So of course I'd want to find something at least for the 240 and the 740, a one space or a two space garage unit, and that's pretty much about as much as I could justify just on my own without you guys, without the channel. So yeah, you guys, if you can, please tell everyone you know, tell your friends, tell your nan, tell your car friends, let everyone know about it, share the videos, tell everyone, and hopefully get as many people watching as possible so that we can get the numbers on the channel and we can really keep this going and we can fill this barn, and who knows, maybe we'll fill another one. So yeah, thanks, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.